Velinkani ma'am has come back with a new chapter. Last week we had done this and that. This week we are going to do these and those. You all know, children, where to write these and those? These is used when we talk about more than one person or thing which is near to us. Those is used when we talk about more than one person or thing which is far from us. Now children, quickly take out your English primer book B. We will do some readings as well as we will do some writing in the exercise copy. So children, get ready with your work. Yes children, this week we are going to do these and those. You all know when to use these and those, children? Come on, let us learn something about these and those. These and those are used when we talk about more than one thing. So children, you can see here, watches are there. How many watches are there? 1, 2, 3. Is it one? No. How many? 3 watches are there. It is more than one. You can see a boy standing here. These are the things which are near to that boy. So that time we use these. These are my watches. Means the watches are near to that boy. Now you can see toys are there. How many toys are there? 1, 2, 3. How many toys? 1, 2, 3. It is more than one. And it is far. You can see this boy pointing, showing the toys which are far from him. So that time we use those are my toys. That time we use those. So now children, again we are going to revise these and those. When to use these and those? These is used for more than one thing which are near to us. More than one thing. More means not one. More than one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's numbered. You can count. Those is used for more than one thing which are far from it. You can use those when it is far and when we talk about more than one. You can see here a man standing here with a basket of how many apples here? 1, 2, 3. He is holding a basket of 3 apples. See, 3 apples are here. 1, 2, 3. It is more than one. So that time we use these. But you have to see whether it is near or far. Is it near? See? Yes, the man is holding that basket which is near to him. That time we use these. These are apples. You can see a basket here also which is full of mangoes here. And you can count the mangoes here. How many mangoes are here? Count children. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And he's pointing. See an arrow here. See he's pointing which is far from him. So that time we use those. So when we talk about many, that time we use are. For far we are using those. For many we are using are. For many, what we are using, children? Are. So now say all together, those are mangoes. Those are mangoes. These are apples. These means which is next to him and which is more than one. And are is used for more. 1, 2, 3. It is more than one. See, that time we use these are apples and which is far but more than one. That time we use those are mangoes. Now children, quickly take out your exercise copy. So now children, before we start, what we have to do? We have to write the classwork as well as the date. So, before writing, what you have to write children? The topic is these and those. You have to make 2 lines like this children. There are 3 blocks here. You have to write near and far. Make an arrow here. For far, make an arrow. Many. We use these and those. Now, you have to do some writing. What you have to do children? Fill up the blanks with these or those. These or those. Now you can see in the first sentence children, dash are kites. So you can see how many kites are here? 1, 2, 3. How many kites? 1, 2, 3. Is any arrow here children? Arrow shows that it is far. Is any arrow here? No. So what you are going to write children? You have to write these, because when there is no arrow, that means it is near. So for near, what you have to write children? These. So in the second sentence, what do you see here? Dash are stars. You can see, you can count the stars children. 1, 2, 3 stars there. There's an arrow that shows it is far. Far. Far shows an arrow. So what you're going to write children? Those. Those are stars. Now you can see in the third sentence, dash are flowers. So there's an arrow here. You can see arrow is there. How many flowers is here children? Count the flowers. 1, 2. So it is more than 1? Yes. An arrow is also there. That tells that it is far. So for far, what you have to write children? Those. 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 Now in the fourth sentence, what do you see here children? Dash are chairs. You can see chairs here. Count children. 1, 2, 3 chairs there. So any arrow? Is it far or near? Oh, it is far, nah? No, I guess, because there is no arrow. So that means it is near to us. So what you're going to write children? For near to us, what you're going to write? These. These are chairs. In the fifth sentence, what do you see? Dash are birds. How many birds? Count children, count the birds. How many birds are there? 1, 2 birds. See, 2 birds are there. 1, 2 birds. So there's an arrow here. You can see arrow means it's far. So for far, what you have to write children? Those. What you have to write? Those. So go on revising this children. And what you have to do children? The same thing what you have to do, you have to copy down in the English FW copy. Children, you have to write all this. The drawings also have to be done by the children as well as the coloring. So children, whatever writings I have given you in the English CW copy, you have to do the same thing in the English FW copy. Go on reading all these sentences. You will surely know the differences about these and those. And you will use it every day while talking to your parents, friends, brothers and sisters. So children, this was for today. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.